So we had a floor with VCT tile, a lot of black master cut back, carpet glue. So we just took a grinder, sander real quick and just kind of ran over the loose stuff. And put down the Perfect Primer. We tinted it a little bit because we're going to be putting a chip floor over it, and there's really no white in the chip. So we tinted it a little bit of the color that the chips are going to be. And now we're rolling it down, nice coat.
How's it covered? One coat?
So far it's covered real well with one coat on this nice, decently porous concrete with a lot of glue spots. But it's covered very, very well so far. We've already done probably about 15 to 1800 square feet. And it's covered very well.
Okay. So that's right over the cleaned glue surface.
Exactly, right over the clean master.
Nice. And you'll just put your epoxy on top of that when you're done.
When it's dry, put the epoxy right on top of it. I'm going to do probably a clear base, maybe a tint a little bit. But we already have a tint now with this. So we'll be able to broadcast right into the epoxy.
Real nice finish. There you go.
And the glue still kind of leaves a residue even after you grind it. And I just felt more comfortable putting this primer down. Just give me a nicer bond, protect myself. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Yeah. So typically concrete is very porous. And when you put epoxy straight on it, it penetrates deep into the concrete. And it also allows outgassing and pinholes to occur. With the primer, we're putting it down, and there's no pinholes, there's no pinholing. Everything seems to be sealed off. Usually you'll get the open pores, holes, like honeycombs, in the concrete with epoxy, where you're not getting that with this.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.